Your home's efficiency depends on more than just insulation and appliances. Your doors play a major role as well. If your current doors are outdated or poorly sealed, they could be allowing air leaks, increasing energy costs, and reducing overall comfort. For homeowners in Slidell, where warm temperatures and humidity are common, upgrading to replacement doors is a smart way to improve efficiency and create a more comfortable living environment. One of the biggest ways replacement doors improve home efficiency is by reducing air leakage. Older doors often develop gaps around the frame due to wear, warping, or poor installation. These gaps allow cool air to escape and warm air to enter, making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Modern replacement doors are designed with tight seals and advanced weather stripping that help prevent drafts. This means your home stays cooler inside without overworking your air conditioning system. Energy efficiency is especially important in Slidell's climate. With long periods of warm and humid weather, homeowners rely heavily on cooling systems to stay comfortable. Replacement doors are built with insulated cores and energy-efficient materials that help block heat from entering your home. By improving insulation, these doors reduce the strain on your HVAC system, which can lead to lower monthly energy bills and long-term savings. Another important benefit is improved temperature consistency throughout your home. Drafty or inefficient doors can create uneven temperatures, with some rooms feeling warmer or cooler than others. A properly installed replacement door helps maintain a stable indoor climate by preventing unwanted air exchange. This creates a more comfortable environment for you and your family, no matter the season. Moisture control is another key factor in home efficiency. In a humid area like Slidell, excess moisture can easily find its way indoors through poorly sealed doors. This can lead to discomfort, as well as potential issues like mold or mildew. Replacement doors are designed to keep moisture out by forming a secure barrier against the elements. This helps protect your home's interior while also improving air quality. Replacement doors also contribute to better overall insulation. Many modern doors feature advanced construction techniques, including multi-layered materials and foam insulation. These features help minimize heat transfer, keeping outdoor temperatures from affecting your indoor space. This improved insulation works year-round, helping your home stay cooler in the summer and more comfortable during cooler periods. Another advantage is reduced energy loss around entry points. Doors are one of the most frequently used parts of your home, which means they can experience more wear and tear than other features. Over time, this can lead to inefficiencies that impact your entire home. Upgrading to a new door ensures that this critical entry point is properly sealed and functioning at its best. In addition to efficiency, replacement doors also enhance comfort by reducing outside noise. A well-insulated door helps block unwanted sounds, creating a quieter indoor environment. This added comfort makes your home feel more peaceful and relaxing. Durability is another factor that contributes to long-term efficiency. Modern replacement doors are made from materials that resist warping, cracking, and weather damage. In Slidell's climate, where heat and humidity can affect building materials, having a durable door ensures consistent performance over time. This means fewer repairs and less maintenance, adding to the overall value of your investment. Proper installation is also essential for maximizing efficiency. Even the most advanced door won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a precise fit, proper sealing, and optimal performance. This attention to detail helps prevent future issues and ensures your new door delivers all the benefits it's designed to provide. Finally, replacement doors can increase your home's value. Energy-efficient features are highly attractive to potential buyers, and a well-installed, modern door signals that your home has been well maintained. Even if you're not planning to sell, this added value is an important benefit. In the end, upgrading to replacement doors in Slidell is about more than just appearance. It's about improving how your home performs every day. With better insulation, reduced energy loss, and enhanced comfort, replacement doors provide a practical and lasting solution for homeowners looking to increase efficiency and enjoy a more comfortable living space.